Here we are, back in Geraldine, after 3 days down in Denmark. We made a little movie about Denmark. Not Greenspool or Williams Bay or Elephant Rocks, but mainly around the Rivermouth Caravan Park down there in Denmark and walking along the river down into town. It's a very nice movie, very quiet. Shows a different side of Denmark. We hope you like it. After a very pleasant drive down from Perth, we settled into our new campsite at Denmark's Rivermouth Caravan Park. The caravan park can be found by turning right just before the bridge as you come into town from Perth, and left after the bridge if coming from Mount Barker or Albany. Simply follow the road along the river to the end and you can't miss it. It sits on the corner right beside the Wilson Inlet and the Denmark River. It offers a range of accommodation, including studio rooms and chalets, as well as powered sites for caravans, campers and tents. The park promotes a relaxed and family-friendly atmosphere. You can hire paddle boats, kayaks and stand-up paddleboards, and there's a cafe on site serving breakfast and lunch, as well as cakes, coffee and ice cream. There's free Wi-Fi, laundry facilities, camp kitchens and barbecues. We usually camp in national parks, but we were down here for 3 or 4 days and thought we'd appreciate the showers and amenities a bit more. The campsite was pretty busy but remarkably quiet. Dogs are allowed and we never heard a single one bark the whole time we were down there. We'd been to all the well-known Denmark attractions quite a few times before, like Greenspool, Elephant Rocks, Madfish and Williams Bay, and the wineries, but this time we were just going down there to relax and check out the river. A casual walk from the caravan park into the town of Denmark takes about 30 minutes along the river. Then you can cross over and come back on the opposite side. The river is approximately 60 kilometres in length. It rises near Padula and flows in a southerly direction before emptying into the Wilson Inlet. The Mokare Heritage Trail offers scenic walks along the riverbank, which is where we are today. Bird watchers have an abundance of water birds on offer, from ducks, swans, herons, egrets, cormorants, pelicans and coots, as well as sandpipers and plovers, depending on the season, and you'll see honey eaters, kingfishers, blue wrens and robins. We hope you've enjoyed our little look at Denmark, and we hope to see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.